and welcome to Path Made Easy. Today's case is an example of Langerhans cell histiocytosis occurring in the body of the mandible in a 3-year-old child. So on the imaging, this patient had a large radiolucency associated with the apices of the molar teeth, and that tissue has been biopsied. The main thing to appreciate is that a biopsy of the mandible should contain lots of bone, and instead that bone has been destroyed by sheets of Langerhans cells. Over here I can see a tiny spicule of bone which represents residual mandibular bone, but as I said, much of it has been destroyed. So when I zoom in, the first thing I can spot are multiple eosinophils with their trilobed nucleus and red granular cytoplasm, and they're admixed with these pale cells. Okay, so these are the Langerhans cells, and they tend to have quite indistinct nucleoli and this pale eosinophilic cytoplasm. One of the most useful diagnostic features is this groove that runs through the nucleus, and we can see it on quite a few of these cells. So they look a little bit like coffee beans. There's quite a nice one here. So when you see pale cells such as these with nuclear grooves and indentations, we need to be thinking about Langerhans cells, and we can prove that they're Langerhans cells because they should be positive with immunohistochemistry for Langerhans S100 and CD1A. So Langerhans cell histiocytosis is fairly common in the head and neck, and it does tend to occur in the bones, particularly the mandible. Now, the prognosis for the patient will depend on what form of Langerhans cell histiocytosis they have. As you may be aware, that can vary from unifocal disease right through to multisystem, multifocal types. So this was an example of Langerhans cell histiocytosis occurring in the mandible. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Path Made Easy. Thank you.